Today we're going to talk about graphing functions. A function can be represented by a graph. The graph below is for the function y equals x plus 2. So we've been representing functions in input-output tables and in mapping diagrams. But now we're going to represent a function by drawing a graph. Before you're able to draw the graph, you need to make an input-output table to get the ordered pair for each of the inputs. So let's start with input being 1. So we're going to plug in 1 for our x, and our output, if we add 2, will become 3. Now if we continue that, if our input is 2, our output is 4, and if our input is 3, our output is 5. And then we can go ahead and write the ordered pair by taking the x and the y and putting them together. Remember, the x is always first. So our first ordered pair is 1, then 2, 4, and 3, 5. And once we've gotten to this point, we're ready to graph our function. And here's what our graph looks like. We've taken each ordered pair, 1 for x and up 3, and then 2 and 4 and 3 and 5. And notice that we've drawn a straight line through our points, and that's showing that it's a function. So whenever you graph your points, you're going to draw a straight line through them. Let's try another example. Graph the function y equals 2x plus 3. So our x's are listed. We're going to plug those in or substitute them for x in our equation, which we've done here, and get our y's. We have -1, 1, and 3. And then we'll take our x's and our y's and write in order. And now we're ready to graph the function. So here I have graphing paper to make our graph nice and neat, and I've written our ordered pairs over here. So first we'll graph 1, -1. Remember, the first number is on the x-axis, so we're going over to 1 and then down to -1. Our second point is 2, 1. And our third point is 3, 3. And then our last step is to draw a line through the points to show that it's a function. And now here are 2 on your own questions. You need to graph each function. The first one is y equals x plus 1. The second one is each output is 2 more than the input. So first you need to write the equation and then graph it. And remember that before graphing it, you need to make an input-output table to get your outputs and then be able to write the ordered pair. And I would like to see all of that work in the On Your Own box.